In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in a spreadsheet with ease and make your data presentation clearer and more organized. Let's dive right in and break down these steps one by one, ensuring you can follow along smoothly. First things first, you'll want to select the cells that you wish to merge. Take a moment to click and drag your cursor across the cells you want to combine. This can be any number of cells, depending on how you want to structure your data. Remember, it's important to highlight exactly what you need because once merged, making changes can be a bit tricky. Once you've selected your desired cells, the next step involves using a handy shortcut that simplifies the process. Go ahead and press Alt+O+M on your keyboard. What this does is open the Merge menu. This menu is your gateway to choosing how you want to merge your selected cells. After the Merge menu is open, you can use your arrow keys to navigate through the different merge options available. Once you've highlighted your preferred merge type, simply press Enter to confirm your choice. It's straightforward, but take your time to hover over the options if you're new to merging. Reading a quick description of each can help you understand what's best for your data. If you want an even quicker way to merge cells, there's a shortcut for that too. For an instant merge, press Alt+O+M+A. This command swiftly merges the cells without any additional steps. It's perfect if you're in a hurry or dealing with a large amount of data. Remember, however, that when you use this quick method, or any merging option, only the content from the top left cell will remain in the merged cell. Plan your data layout accordingly to avoid losing important information. As you practice, keep in mind that merging cells is not just about combining them, it's about enhancing the look of your spreadsheet and making it more understandable at a glance. For example, merging headers can make your sections stand out, or neatly organize categories within your dataset. But always be cautious of data loss and think ahead about how merging fits into your overall presentation. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to mastering cell merging in spreadsheets. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making your data work for you.